The events took place on March 13, 2025, around 3 p.m. On that day, Connecticut State Police spotted her vehicle, a black Subaru Legacy, driving without a front license plate and swerving dangerously on the road. Officers also discovered that she was wanted under an active arrest warrant, related to a previous attempt to flee from police a week earlier.
Why? What did I do?
Turn the car off for me. I'll talk to you in a minute.
Why? I didn't do anything.
I'll talk to you in a minute.
I didn't do anything.
I will talk to you in a minute.
What
You're
did I
Electra,
do,
correct?
sir?
Open the door, please.
Can you please tell me what I did? I don't understand.
I'll tell you in a second. Just open the door.
Why can't you tell me what I did?
Open the door.
Can you please tell me what I did?
I'll tell you in a minute. Okay? You failed to maintain your lane and you don't have a front plate.
What do you mean?
That's why I pulled you over. But
no, I didn't.
just open the door, please.
Why do I have to open my door?
I got a lockout kit. That's not a big deal, dude.
I'll explain more once you cooperate with
Because
me.
I went over a lane?
I'll explain more once you cooperate with me.
Sir, I don't understand.
Could you please just open the door? I don't want to break the window. Can you just open the door?
Why would you do that, sir? I don't understand what I did.
You're Electra, correct?
Right?
Okay. You're the owner of the car?
Yes?
Yes. Okay. So step out of the car.
Because I went over a lane?
Nah, it's all bullshit, dude. Let me tighten it up. Hey, can you spot for me? I'm gonna move forward.
What bull?
Just open the.
You said that I went over a lane and you're trying to get me out of my car? Why?
I'm gonna talk to you, okay?
Okay, so please tell me. No, sir. I don't understand. What did I do? What?
The woman involved in this case is named Electra Ciulli, aged 33 at the time of the incident. She is originally from Old Saybrook in the state of Connecticut.
Explain to me why you're doing this?
Ma'am, you got
I went over a lane?
Ma'am, you got a warrant, okay?
For what?
I believe it's at Old Saybrook, Troop F's area.
How?
I'll explain it in a minute.
Can you show me I have a warrant?
I'll show you if you get out. We're just gonna.
I'm scared right now. Like, what?
I'm going to break the window if
Why?
you don't.
I don't understand. I don't understand why you're doing this.
Please open the door.
Why? I didn't do anything.
Step out of the car. It's a lawful order from the state police. Get out of the car.
What are you doing?
The situation escalated when officers decided to follow her discreetly until she stopped at a Shell gas station located on Route 97 in Norwich. In order to prevent any attempt to escape, 2 patrol vehicles carried out a tactical maneuver known as a box-in. However, the driver refused to surrender. She forced her way out by violently ramming both police vehicles, causing significant damage, including tearing off a gas pump. She then fled the scene.
Open the door.
Ram in the car. After tire.
Ram the cruiser. Right here. She'll have a rear right deflated. Roger. You're north on 97.
It's like prior to 19.
Roger. You're on 395. 97. Correct. 712.
She's off.
High-speed chase followed on Interstate 395. Eventually, she lost control of her vehicle and crashed into a guardrail. Despite the crash, she abandoned her car and continued fleeing on foot through a residential neighborhood. After a rapid search, a K-9 police unit managed to locate her. She was found hiding under the deck of a house and was immediately taken into custody.
This thing, yeah. They're actually, hang on, I got it. They're gonna have a dog, so.
Oh. The resident said she ran behind 3 Strand Road.
How you doing? Do you guys happen to see the girl run? So would she run through here?
Yep, she came right behind the seat.
Yep.
Up here, straight back there. There's a lot of fallen trees and woods and a fence back there. I don't think she could have cut through that way.
Just keep everyone in the house because they're gonna run the dog. Thank you.
your face! On your face! On your face! Bring it down. Don't go down.
Just say nothing cuts today. Today.
Hey, she was smoking something too. She threw it at her. Do you have any narcotics on you, man?
No, I took them all.
You used them all or you took them all?
I took them all.
As the situation escalates into a medical emergency, officers monitor her closely, while one officer manages tension with the suspect following earlier damage to his vehicle.
What's wrong with you, huh?
Let's go. He stepped on my
pants. Stupid.
He stepped on my pants. They're flying off.
Did he hit? Did he bite her? No.
She was smoking a crack pipe or something. She threw it up there in that back left corner.
No one's stepping on your pants.
You stepped on my pants. They were flying off. Why are you hurting me like that?
Get the f*** up.
Are you joking right
I'm
now?
dead serious.
What does he think she threw?
I took all of the drugs. You should bring me to the hospital.
Nope.
Okay, I'm done.
You're going back to the truth. Nobody gets...
Wow, okay. Is your camera on?
Yep, it's on.
And they see you
It
hurting
was
me
on when
like
you
this?
ran my car, too.
Okay, you're hurting me. I
don't
can't
care.
walk when one's pulling this way and one's pulling that way.
Go this way. Second car.
Oh, God. Are you serious right now?
Lean up against the car.
You just threw me against,
Lean against
the
the
car.
car.
Is that a
Don't
joke?
move from the car. Do you
I
understand?
haven't. You just threw my face against it.
Let's
I'm trying. I can't like that.
see. Lean back.
Is he the one driving me?
Yep, I am. Unfortunately.
I don't feel safe with him.
I was literally just coming down to check this area again. I was tossing every garbage can I found along the road.
So what happens when you ram cars and you take off. Thank you for getting my car dirty. And
You just threw my face against the car. Are you kidding me?
Hanging out like that, they'll spit on it. First and foremost, you're gonna have to get checked out. I can't believe. What are you thinking? Swallowing all that? I know, but just take the hit. You know what I'm saying? Like, you took all that.
PTSD, man. Like, I thought this was like, I didn't think this was even real. The cops, when they pin me in like that, I didn't.
You're gonna get the help that you need, okay?
The woman was transported to the hospital after reportedly telling law enforcement officers that she had swallowed several bags of fentanyl just before her arrest, allegedly in an attempt to destroy evidence. Due to the life-threatening risk of a massive drug overdose caused by ingestion, Connecticut State Police immediately activated emergency medical protocols. She was first given an urgent medical evaluation and then transported to a local hospital. There she was examined, monitored, and treated before being formally processed into custody. During the investigation, additional evidence was also discovered. In the area where the K-9 unit had located her, officers found more packaged drugs that she had not managed to conceal or discard before being apprehended. These findings further strengthened the case against her and added to the list of charges she is already facing.
read this. You can read, right? Understand? How old are you?
33.
Yeah, I mean, this is going to be a pain in the butt, but we got to get it done. So we're going to do your right arm first. This is going to be right thumb. This is a disaster, dude. Let's just put this flat. Come on. Ball your fist and go like this. It's not pretty easy. I mean, it's like, go like this. Can you do that?
Do you see how you have my arm cranked?
I'm just trying to do this, and it's coming out like
you want you here any longer than I need you here?
Trust me, I don't want to be here any longer than I need to be. All right, can you move your feet over that way so we got more space over here?
I have wires in my hand, that's why it doesn't bend correctly.
Nice. Where are they from?
Hand surgery.
What happened?
Does it really matter? You really want to do small talk?
I just don't really believe you, that's fine.
I'm saying you're hurting me because you're cranking it. I'm saying it doesn't bend that way.
You're not really helping me here. So, do you mind leaning forward so I can do your print? I don't know what's so difficult.
Of course you don't. Want to move closer to me? There you go, buddy. Use your little brain. There you go, buddy.
Can't lean forward?
Considering my feet are right here, unlike you, I don't suck like that.
That's not what I heard.
Oh, yeah, is
I heard
it?
some crazy shit about you.
Oh, I bet you did. That's a good one.
Alright.
Oh, what a man you are. I love hurting a little female. Good thing you're on camera smashing my head against a cop car.
Alright. I'm just gonna let those What's that, man?
Yeah, man.
No, I didn't. I was
I've
asking.
been working at Costco the rest of your life.
I can't understand you because you only got 3 teeth. So we're going to cuff you back to the bed, and then we're going to go from there. Fair enough?
Please don't touch me, sir. Please don't touch me. I'm not resisting.
I swear.
Please don't touch me. You like squeezing me?
Nope, I just don't want you to go anywhere. You already
I'm not going
took
anywhere.
off on us twice. She's not obviously not posting her bond, so.
Yes, I am.
Oh, you're going to post, you're going to come up with $500K? Okay.
Yeah, I've already,
Well,
yeah.
You can do it at court tomorrow then.
Electra Chuli.
Following these events, authorities filed 11 criminal charges against her. These include attempted assault on a peace officer, first-degree reckless endangerment, multiple counts of first-degree criminal mischief, failure to comply with police orders, fleeing from a police pursuit, reckless driving, hit and run after a collision, obstruction of law enforcement, and possession of narcotics, with suspected fentanyl reportedly found near her hiding spot. Her bail was initially set at $500,000 by the Norwich court.